Hey there, I just wanted to make this quick video for you on how you can factory reset your SMEG washing machine, and this is how you're going to do it. First, turn it off, and then you want to unplug it for about, let's say, 15 minutes. Or if you can get to the cord, you want to turn off the circuit breaker for the SMEG washing machine. When you're going to wait for 15 minutes, then you just want to put it back in, press it on, and turn it on. And I hope it's going to fix the issue that you have, but it really depends what kind of error you have and what kind of a problem you have with it. So like for example right here, you're gonna have the door lock or the drainage problem of the water intake issue, water leak detected, motor drive malfunction. So if you have some of these errors, there are other fixes for that. So this can be like perform a hard reset for you. But yeah, let me know in the comments what kind of error or like things you want to solve, and I can look about how you can like fix that if the hard reset is not going to work out. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.